Well, sometimes something that's really stupid happens, and that's okay. I take you to the scene of the crime. Oil is everywhere. There's a mysterious dent in this electrical cover. What could that be from? Well, sometimes we decide it's a good idea to push your bike up a curb after a long day and a long commute, rather than just hopping the curb, something you do almost every day. And here's the damage. When you fall at a standstill like that, nothing else gets hurt. My signal's fine, my side panel's fine, my mirror's fine, my other signal's fine. But this little guy decided he wanted to go right through. He wanted to give him a hug. He wanted to give the engine a little hug. And that's okay. There it is. So I have a new cover coming in. It's gonna be here about a week and a half. A lot of people, I made a post. Some of you may have seen that. It was on an Xr650L owners group on Facebook. It was not well received. I was trying to get a little bit of, I guess, copium or a little bit of a laugh, but it was not well received. Everyone blew up on me, so I took those down. But if you saw that, my genuine apologies. I'm never serious. If you ever see me post on a Facebook group about motorcycles, I don't think this 22-year-old kid is being very serious. But that being said, a new cover on the way. It's gonna be in the shop. Whoop-de-doo. Mostly just upset that this happened in my front yard as opposed to in the woods, but then you would have been stranded, so I guess there's that. But happy trails. Keep it shiny.